Apple Watch Series 10 versus Series 11 versus Ultra 3 versus SE3. Let's find your perfect match. Before you spend a dime, we're breaking down exactly what you're getting. And trust me, the most expensive watch isn't the winner in every category, so you'll want to see how this plays out. Starting with price, the Ultra 3 commands a premium, but the SE3 is the clear winner for anyone watching their wallet. For endurance, the Ultra 3 dominates with its 42-hour battery, the clear champion for multi-day adventures without needing a charger. In low power mode, that endurance extends further, with the Ultra 3 hitting an amazing 72 hours, a critical lifeline for off-grid expeditions. But when it's time to refuel, the Series 10 and 11 win, getting you back in action much faster, reaching 80% charge. When it comes to internal storage for your music and apps, it's a four-way tie, as every model is equipped with 64 gigabytes. Looking at software, the Series 11, Ultra 3, and SE3 take the lead, running the latest watchOS 12 with new features and updates. For divers, the rugged Ultra 3 provides peace of mind with a superior 10 ATM rating, double the other model's protection in deep water. For display tech, Series 10, 11, and Ultra 3 win, featuring LTPO3 OLED panels for a super efficient, always-on screen. While the view is great, the Ultra 3's flat sapphire crystal offers ultimate durability, protecting it from bumps and scrapes outdoors. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 proves its superiority with 3000 nit peak brightness, ensuring unmatched screen legibility in direct sunlight. That brilliant display also packs the highest resolution, giving the Ultra 3 sharper text and the most detailed watch faces. Despite differences, all models share 326 pixels per inch, ensuring a consistently crisp and clear visual experience on every screen. Moving to the build, the Ultra 3 is exclusively titanium, while the Series 10 and 11 offer it, giving a durability advantage. The Ultra 3 has specialized bands for athletes, while the other models provide versatile options perfect for everyday style and comfort. If you prioritize a lightweight feel, the Apple Watch SE3 is the featherweight champion, making it the most unnoticeable choice. However, the Series 10 and Series 11 share the win for those who prefer a more streamlined and less bulky profile. From the compact SE3 to the commanding Ultra 3, Apple ensures there is a perfect case size to fit every user's wrist. For connectivity, the Ultra 3 stands alone, featuring UWB and crucial satellite SOS for emergency needs completely off the grid. For quick tactile control, only the Ultra 3 has the customizable action button for instant access to your favorite functions. Tracking underwater adventures, the Series 10, Series 11, and Ultra 3 win, as each includes a dedicated depth sensor for accuracy. For cardiac health, the Series 10, 11, and Ultra 3 share the victory, each including the vital ECG app for insights. Similarly, for respiratory wellness, the premium models lead, offering the blood oxygen app, which is absent from the SE3. Thank you very much for watching.